Do you know what separates an IELTS speaking band 6.5 candidate from a band 8.1? It's not just about vocabulary, and it's definitely not about having a foreign accent. I am going to share with you guys the exact steps and strategies that helped me and many of my students who are stuck at band 6.5 in IELTS speaking to jump on band 8. If you stay with me till the end, then you are going to get 3 hidden hacks that examiners never tell you, but they can definitely impact your band score in IELTS speaking. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to IELTS Maximum by Hamza, your go-to place to unlock your success. The part 1 of this video is about the common mistakes which make you stuck at band 6.5. I have reviewed hundreds of IELTS speaking performances, and what I have noticed is memorized answers. Students prepare script and try to memorize them rather than they speak naturally and fluently. They focus on the memorization of the answer. Do you know, examiners catch this instantly and your band score drops. Second thing is short answers. Candidates think 1 or 2 sentences are enough, but band 8 students explain, elaborate, and express their answers naturally rather than sound like a robotic or memorized answer. Third thing is the overthinking grammar. Many students stuck at, was it a present perfect or a past perfect sentence? So this makes them keep on thinking, and eventually they get freeze and their score drops. If you are doing any of these mistakes, then that is why you are stuck at band 6 or 6.5. The part 2 of this video is about what examiners are looking for in you to give you band 8. Here are the 4 criteria which you guys need to master if you really want to score higher in IELTS speaking. First thing is the fluency and coherence. You guys need to speak naturally and without having long pauses, and you need to connect your ideas naturally. What you guys can do, you can think of it as telling a short story to the examiner. Second criteria is lexical resource. And what does that mean? You guys need to use a wide range of vocabulary rather than being stuck at one word and repeat it same again and again and again. But that doesn't mean you guys need to use very complicated words. You guys need to use the topic specific vocabulary. On this topic, I have already made a video. Just go and check it out, which sort of vocabulary you are required to give, to perform, if you really want to grow your score from band 6 to 8 in IELTS speaking. Let me give you a quick example. Instead of saying very big, you guys can say enormous, giant, gigantic, huge. You guys can use the synonym of those words. That shows your lexical resource, your range of vocabulary to the examiner. Third thing is the grammatical range and accuracy. Mix your tenses naturally, but don't overcomplicate. Just use them naturally. Fourth and final thing which examiners are looking is pronunciation. Clarity matters more than the accent. Use intonations and stress to sound more engaging, because clarity matters more than the accent. Examiners are not looking for perfection. They are searching for natural communication that shows range and variety. That's it. Part 3 of this video is about what you guys need to do. You guys need to develop a strategy which I am going to share with you guys in this video. So stay tuned, and if you have not hit the bell icon yet, then what are you waiting for? Hit the bell icon, subscribe my channel, and do share with your friends who are going to take the IELTS soon. First thing is daily speaking with a timer. Record yourself for 2 minutes and watch your video. After recording, listen and observe where you are getting hesitant, and catch those moments which sounds like which is affecting your fluency. Work on it, and boom. Second thing is answer, reason, and example formula. Try to tell examiner a story about what they are asking for from you. Never give short answers. Which is your favorite color? Black. Don't give that kind of answer. Explain, I love black because it's so mesmerizing when I think about it, and I wear those kind of shirts which are having a black tone or black color in it. I just feel really confident about my personality. Just give that sort of answers, and that's it. This is what you guys need to do. Tell examiner a story. Third thing is the topic specific vocabulary. And what does that mean? You guys don't need to overburden your mind with 1,000 words which can guarantee you band 8, band 9 in IELTS speaking, IELTS writing. Don't do this. Just collect 5 to 10 powerful words from common topics like environment, technology, travel, and education. That's it. That is only what you are required. Third thing is the mock interview, because it is very important to sensitize your brain with the exam pressure. You can either practice with a partner or even in front of a mirror. Both will do wonder. Final thing is the mindset hack. Treat examiners like a friend whom you are meeting for a coffee. This instantly reduces your nervousness and stress, and convert your tone into a natural expression rather than shivering voice or an underconfident candidate. So practice it. Final part and fourth part of this video is about the hidden hacks which I have promised earlier in my intro. So here it is. Hack number 1 is don't rush. Don't speak too fast that makes you sound nervous. Slow down and give your words the weight. Number 2 is use linking words. Actually, to be honest, on top of that, the most important, the final hack is smile. Yes, smiling makes your voice warmer, you sounds more clearer, your voice becomes more warmer, and examiner can really feel your confidence. These small things can really push your score up to your desired band. So these are the tips and the strategies which you guys need to practice, and you guys can also send me your feedbacks and your queries in the comment section, and I will definitely try to solve out your problems and your queries by my own self. So going from band 6.5 to 8 or even 9, it's not a magic. It's actually a strategy. It's actually a plan. It's actually how you can avoid the traps, and what sort of strategies and tips you guys need to practice that can really push your score from this to this. Before going, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you in the next video, because in the next video you are going to get those kind of secrets which no one can tell you, and that can really help to push your score like a skyrocket. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.